You don't know who you'd help today with this call. All right. I'm about to help a lot of individuals. I've done something amazing, just that a lot of people don't know about it. And the truth is, the only people who can know about it are those in my world. And I'm going to be sharing the parameters of how I want to operate in that space. Man, Henry, you look good. Nobody told me that, but I look good. How you doing? Oh, so are you guys ready? You got to say this after me before getting into the market. I have to take some excuse from my boss. My world is my burst. Okay, so let me inspire myself to some reality right now. I've kept a template of my successful affirmation. How amazing it is. You can say this after me. I release all limiting beliefs, align with abundance, and attract wealth, success, and opportunities effortlessly into my life. I am worthy of abundance. You know, someone is still tempering my mic. You don't know who you would help today. Okay, beautiful. That was recording. I'm worthy of abundance. I release doubts. I embrace positivity, and I attract limitless prosperity and success effortlessly. I am a magnet for abundance. I release scarcity. You can do this now. Excuse me. Is my network still? Am I still on? I'm still on, right? I am deserving of all of the good that flows into my life. I attract abundance effortlessly, and I'm grateful. I let go of all limiting beliefs, even including trading and my lot size and my trading account. I am open to receiving abundance, love, and opportunities in every aspect of my life. Come on, son. I'm big. What happened? What happened? Come. Who's there? Why is Kendrick crying? He's holding your brother. So do you want to get your brother is laughing? Look at your brother is laughing. Okay? Mommy is calling you. Okay, go and meet mommy. Mommy is calling you. Go and hug mommy. Mommy's hug. Good boy. Go and hug mommy. Hug mommy. All right, beautiful. Babies are home. My babies are home. You know how it is. Okay. But I'm a powerful creator. I release lack and I attract abundance, prosperity in every area of my life. I believe in my ability to manifest abundance of wealth, money from every aspect, and I release resistance and attract unlimited wealth, success, and happiness. I am in perfect alignment with abundance. I release scarcity and effortlessly attract overflowing wealth into my life. I release fear and I embrace abundance. I attract financial freedom, opportunities, and abundance of blessings effortlessly. I am a magnet for prosperity. That's my name. I release all limiting beliefs and effortlessly attract these abundant blessings into my life. Do you believe it is done? Say it is done. Okay. Do you believe it is done? Type it is done on the chat. How you do anything is how you do everything. What you say is who you are. And the energy of how you say what you say is how you attract who you are. I just deposited some amazing things into my reality. I don't know about you, but this is how I live my life every day. I'm a product of my words. All I just need to do is an ingredient. Put in the work in the right direction. I just gave myself a direction right now. Okay? I'm moving in the direction of abundance. This space we are in, everything I'm going to teach you right now is going to put you in abundance. You are in the right direction. You are in the right space. But the question is, there are certain things, there are certain beliefs you have that is limiting you. You may not know. But the only way to unalign the things you don't know is to speak them forth. I may be working $1 million job, but that doesn't mean I'm going to earn $1 million. The reason I'm not going to earn $1 million is not because of my work ethics. It's because of my beliefs I've installed over years. I may not even know about them. I may not know I believe that I cannot be something worthy of millions. I may have said it and I forgot. Now I'm in an environment. I'm not bagging millions. Why? Because I've said it. My subconscious, I prepared it into my future. Irrespective of what I do today, I can't make millions. You may not know. So when you're saying this word, you don't know what you're uninstalling and you're installing. The opportunities you need to become the words you say will come. Like this one today. Some of you may have said, I'm going to get into the right direction to make a whole lot of money in 2023. But somehow your life has not really pushed you there. But you said it. And you're here today. It is done. Just believe it. Put in the right work. Are we ready for today's market? Today is quite simple. Oh, what do I have to teach you today? How many of you made money today? Okay. So my students, have you made money today? So I can brag. If you've made money, put $signs in the chat so that people can know that we're here for good business. Okay. And there's a question I want to ask every one of you before we get started. And that would inspire the way I'm going to teach you, or what I'm going to teach you, or what I'm going to get exposed to you. Okay, you've made money today. Put some $signs in the chat. You don't need to put how much you've made. I don't care. I don't really want to know. But if you've made money in some proportion, whether 1%, 2%, however you traded your percentage this money, okay. But I've given you opportunity. Have I given you an opportunity to make money today? Did I give you an opportunity to make money yesterday? Answer me on the chat. Did I give you an opportunity to make money yesterday? Did I give you an opportunity to make money today? All right, beautiful. What currency did you make money on yesterday? What currency did you make money on today? What trade are you presently running, all right, that you think you're going to make a whole lot of money from? He said, please kindly send this confession. It's actually in our gallery. Okay, we have a confession gallery. Okay, all right. So is trading a difficult thing to you? Madam Noxolo, you've made money in AU, you've made money in GJ. You got in on that GJ. Amazing. Beautiful. Madam Hiyama, did you pick that GJ? You were on GU, but you got GU, right? Okay. UJ. Wow. Madam Hiyama, you got UJ. Madam Noxolo, you got UJ. Your hands are very fast now. I'm beginning to suspect you. Good. EJ as well. Amazing. No, trading is easy. No, trading is easy. No, trading is easy. Which is the answer? Okay. Was an A. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Those of you that are here on Instagram, you can actually head down. Let me see if I can post the link. We're going to have an amazing time today. We're going to be giving some analysis. I'm going to be giving you some trade ideas that you can probably swing, make some money. I'll tell you the entries, possible entries. That's what I'm going to be doing today, but I'm also going to be showing you guys perspective. Although I want to pick the. Have I made trading easy for you guys over the last couple of months? All right. Tell me a confession. Have I made trading easy, or I've made it complicated? You've made it less fearful. Wow. That's amazing. Okay. Before I show you guys our assets right now that we're trading, market that we're trading, that we'll probably look at ways we could get in more markets. Is trading easy from your perspective, from your outlook? Some of you have spent months, some of you have spent years, some of you have spent maybe weeks. You just coming in. Some of you are the spectators. You're the ones who look. You're the ones who look. You just look at it. You are the lookouts. Is trading easy? Does trading look easy for you? I need an answer. I need perspective answers from this right now. Very, 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 very quick. Okay. don't think about it. How do you feel about it doing it? Because at the end of the day, the money you're making or you're not making is based on is based on how you think this market is. Okay, is trading easy? Okay, let me use the word so that you guys don't think too much. Simple, easy, whatsoever you feel about it. Is it easy, simple? Okay, or is something that is headache, is stressful, is it wasn't at first, but now it's easy. Okay. Simple, simple, simple. Is it because of me? I think my environment is making this whole answer not come out the way it should come out. This is not like a rigged. It's like I'm rigging this result. I've already rigged this result. The result you guys are giving me is rigged already. You guys are making this look easy for people who are here, right? And there are people who are here right now. They are looking at you guys. Are you simple, simple? Let me just hear what they are saying. This simple call. All right. So you guys, for those of you, tell me how you feel about trading. Is it simple? Is it stressful? Is it complicated? There are things I felt about trading when I came in. It's hard to learn because it's complicated. Okay. You need a whole lot of time. All right. You can lose a whole lot of equity because it's volatile. You need a whole lot of money to trade it. So this doesn't make it look simple or easy. Am I correct? Okay. Now that I've put that, I believe I'm going to get a lot of people very complex. Oh, Eli, now why you? It's at first. Okay. Okay, Eli, come on, tell us right now. How do you feel about trading right now that you felt it was hard, but now you feel how do you feel it's easy? Okay, I actually muted everybody. I need you guys to hear from another mouth. And this conversation is going to lead us into how you're going to see the market from the way I'm going to teach today. Okay.
Good afternoon, Coach.
Good afternoon.
So yeah, trading was very complex for me. It was really frustrating. I would always ask questions and questions and questions because I thought maybe everybody was doing it right and I was doing something wrong. I thought I was doing something wrong because I was just in the red all the time. I wasn't understanding the strategies. But as time went on, I found out that it looked like it was something so big, so huge, I would never understand in my life. But as time went on, it seemed so simple and so, like, I can't believe that was what I was scared of. So now my fear has reduced. I can get on a trade and I'll just leave it and let it play out without fear of, is it in the red or is it in profit? I just go and I come back and there's just peace, really.
Peace. What would you say instrumentalize that mindset or consciousness?
Honestly, it's your mentoring. I'm not even just saying. It is your mentoring.
I don't agree with you.
It is your mentoring. Your mentoring has helped me. My mind has evolved from what it was before. I have unlearned and I've learned. So yeah.
Okay, you didn't convince me anyway, but I don't agree with you. There's something I'm looking out for. Okay.
Oh, and profits too.
Profits.
Yes.
I don't agree with you. Any person who's going to tell me what brought about that peace?
Her confidence.
Confidence?
Mm-hmm.
Nah. Anybody could have confidence based on some certain things. But okay, any other person following instructions? Mr. Prince almost said following instructions. No. Okay. You can follow instructions anywhere, but not all instructions that gives you direction to the right direction. Okay. For me, one of the
an encounter with the person that gives peace, because I mean, on most of your sessions, you always talk about a higher power, right? That is peace himself. So if we have that inner peace, then everything around us kind of like calms down and we're able to concentrate and do what we need to do.
Beautiful. Okay. I'll give the credit. I'll give credit to whatever your mind frames are right now. But there's something I really want to bring out, and I'm very proud of. Okay. You are a product of an environment. You want to write that down. Everyone is a product of an environment. What God gave to me was an environment. It's not about this. I'm not the best trader in this space. Okay? I'm not the best trader. I'm not with the best strategy. But one of the things I've always been focused in is creating the enabling environment for traders to be peaceful at trading. Because if you find your peace in trading, you're always going to be profitable. The market will not make you feel peaceful. So when you're learning against peace. But if you find the right environment, an environment where you can communicate, you can make mistakes, you can be who you are, you can ask questions, you can meet people who can talk to you, not to your wants, to you, to your interests, and their interests align with you, something is going to happen to you. You don't care about the result. Can I tell you something, every one of you right now? At some point when you came in, you lost a lot of money, but that didn't move you. It came to a point it did not, losses didn't move you. Am I correct? How many of you can attest to that? It came to a point, losses didn't move you. Do you know what most people in the market, the emotions of losses or profit? But it's not moving you right now. You are your peace. It means when you're peaceful, you're going to produce who you are. But when you're reckless, you're going to produce what the world is about you. Does this make sense? So one of the things I want to advise anybody seeking this environment, you're seeking success in trading, find your environment of peace. Does this make sense? Does this advice look like a Commonwealth advice? Okay, because that is what has happened to me over the years. I found peace in trading. Okay, I could look at the market and I say, okay, this is what I want from this market. This is what I'm willing to give, which I want to show you, every one of you right now. Am I still on? Is my network still good? So what I do in trading is I help you find your peace, because the truth is you are the masterpiece of trading. I will just show you how you get to know you. That is what I do. I don't try to make you me. So can you guys attest to that? When you came in, you found your trading, your spectacular self of trading. You're not trading. That's why I have different strategies, and I help you master the strategies that I have. I don't tell you this is how you should be trading, and I never tell you that my strategy is the best. In fact, that's what I want to talk about today. Okay? I make you understand the broad, because language, the market has a language, and knowledge is the bridge of security. The more you know, the more you approach and understand these languages. And what I do is, do you know you feel peaceful when you're in an environment you understand the language? Truthful, right? Is that true? But irrespective, you are they tell you this environment is peaceful, but you can't understand the language in that environment. Something in you is telling you they are selling you out. Am I correct? You are reckless because you don't understand the language. That's what's happening to a lot of people. The market is a very simple market. It's simple to trade. Trading is one of the simplest ventures in the world. The only thing that is complex about it is investing in the knowledge. And investing is a thing where you do from a standpoint of peace. If you don't have peace in you, you're gonna. Okay? You're gonna. So, my ticket today for each and every one of you in this environment, learn towards your peace. Your peace is your wealth. You say the peace I give to you is not the peace this world gives. Peace. When God says, be peaceful, he's talking about you can't have prosperity without peace. I know I've talked on that. I trained on that on a certain topic. When you are peaceful, peace brings prosperity. Do you guys agree with me? Put 100. Okay? A mind that is reckless will end up being poor. But a mind that is peaceful, even if there is no resource, will end up attracting wealth. So wherever you find in life, find your peaceful environment, your mind, your power of attraction that attend to the law is based on the peace. All right, your resonance of peace. So we've been in last week Tuesday. I wasn't here. Was it last week Tuesday? I wasn't here. I didn't make it last week Tuesday. But we've. Did they say you did USD? I've not even seen it. Woo! And you guys are joking like you're not making money. Wait, you guys are joking like you're not making money. Whoa! Thank God I'm out on TP1 in GU. Sheesh! USD has like, Man, look at some. Look at that. Look at that. Concept played out. How many pips in right now? So TP1 done or moving. This trade is coming out. Oh boy, man, I feel good. Yeah. All right. So how many of you are in TP2? You're still in the second trade. You're still in profit. Oh, that's what. When JC sent it, JC hardly communicates. But when JC sent a message, it's volume. When I almost went to look at my trade when JC said I took AU. Man, you're good. I knew something has happened. Now that I'm saying it. JC, how are you feeling? Are you there? Okay. Wow.
Yeah, I am here, sir. I took that trade. I saw that setup yesterday, and I said, my God. I woke up and I said, thank you, Jesus.
That's good. I know that feeling. That feeling is good. Man, he almost actually gave us our first TP yesterday, but it went back. You know, one thing I did was when I saw the move in the market, see, that's why I talked about peace today, because peace, when you're reckless, you're going to lose trades. You don't know. You're going to leave trades early. You shouldn't have left. You're going to question trades when you're reckless, when you're trying to control the narratives of the market. Okay, you just find your peace, analyze the market and know where the market is going, and you find your peace. Right about now, something simple I'm going to show you guys today. When the market makes a move, it's like bus stops. Okay, it's taking the bus from somewhere. It's definitely going somewhere. The market always has an agenda of movement. All you need to know is, where is the market going to move from? Where is the next place this market is going to buy? You guys are going to have different points. Every green point in this market is a support in this space. But the ultimate support is the conceptualized support that is in the chart. Here is the floor. When the market moves from a zone, it moves into the next zone. The next ultimate zone the market is coming to is this zone, which means if this market is bullish, all right, it's going to try to take somewhere around here, this market is going to buy. But another strategy, so this is what I'm going to tell you and every one of you. Understanding where the market picks up from, okay, and where it's going is the basic knowledge of the market. If you have that, you're already a trader. Now, entry is not dependent on strategy, which you're going to learn over time. Do not base your knowledge of trading based off on entry. Are you guys getting it? A lot of people have condemned themselves because of entry. Oh, I don't know how to trade. So they want to learn more things because of entry. It's not how you enter the market. It's how you know where the market is going, where it's coming from. You know, that is really the basic knowledge. Then the thing you now learn over time is your different approach of entries. So if I'm going to tell if you want to be safe in the market, just know the ultimate move of the market. The ultimate move of the market is, the market is trending down, is that it's going to pick a lower low. All right. So this market is trending down. That's why if you catch the trend of the market, you could know the language of the market. So right about now, is this market trending down? Yes. So if you want to be a basic trader, easy trader, okay, there is another low that is different from this low. The way you can catch that low is to meet up the concept. We got this concept, right? It means somewhere around here, the market is going to buy. Somewhere around here. So what do you need to do? That's why I taught this strategy. Very, very simple. Okay. Somewhere around here. You may not know right now because there is no data for you to know. That is why you just have to move. When you're moving, move up to at least, when you're doing analysis for you to pick a buy, move to a daily. Okay. So this market is ultimately daily trending down. So you can see that the market is falling down. And right about now, you're looking for an opportunity. Where is this market going to come to? When it comes here is a very big hold. But where the market has bought before, it will repeat itself. So all I need to do is just find all these wicks. So everything I have here is wicks. The market will always repeat itself. I'm going to show us here in today's trade. I'm going to show us. The market will always repeat itself. Okay. So this market is coming back down here. All right. Okay, here it is not still the concept because it's back. So somewhere around here, it's going to be bullish. Let me see. Trade what you see, not what you feel. Never forget that. Okay. In the daily, these are the extension. The market move from all of these areas I'm marking out right now. Okay. So if I don't find them here, it means the market is likely not going to come down here before it goes up. Okay. So if this market comes to this, man, what this tells me is this is my ultimate buy point. If I'm looking at buying AUD USD, I'm going to be waiting for the market to come all the where are my tools? Okay. Hold on a minute. I have so many things on my screen. Okay, found it. What it means is that if I find the market here, it's a very big meal. Okay. This is the lower trend and the lower support. It means if market comes here, I'm going to buy. I just need to wait for the market to come there. And it just got started right now. So all of this, anything you want to now do in between here is now based on a different strategy of approach. The market does not move 100% to direction, which means the market will not come down here 100%. It may make a decision, okay, to play out price action. So what are the different price action that you know? This is now strategies, okay? Normally, when the market is moving on momentum, be careful of the 50% approach, all right? So if you're looking at intraday trading, the market has moved on this momentum. What does it mean? Okay, be careful. So if you're the one who is a rapid trader, I hope I'm not being too fast. It means there's something that's going to happen here. This 50% of the market. 50% of the market is always a rejection point for intraday traders. So if you want to gather all of your profit, that's why make sure you take your first profit before 50% or at 50%. Thank God we're out on this profit right now based on our risk one-to-one. Okay. So it means here you can actually cut out some profit out from here. Okay. Because if this market hits here, intraday traders, I'm going to show us something very spectacular in the market today. Okay. By communication. There are people like you in the market, they trade what they see every day. One of the things that controls the options and the emotions in the market, okay, worldwide, Fibonacci concept controls the market. There are a lot of traders that trade based on 21.5, that 75%, 50%, 61.8. There are majority of traders who trade this concept, which means at every point in time, the way I have seen this, there are millions of traders that have done this as well. Which means if the market gets here, they just need to find a support. Okay. There's a support around here. There's a support around here, which means some traders will buy from here. What controls the market? What controls volume in the market? Oh, already. What controls the market? Volume. Okay. Wow. There are a couple of things that I got exposed to today from higher powers. I was like, God, thank you for exposing me to the way I teach. All right. Don't be biased about this market. Don't be emotionally too friendly with the market. Okay. Be friend with the concept of the market, but this market was not designed to be your friend. It was designed to take money from you. The moment you have that mindset, you are a game changer. You're going to have a game changer. Don't think your strategy makes you superior. No. Everybody have an ultimate agenda in this market. And the people that have the higher power, you are no match for their agenda. So what I do is that I open up knowledge for you as a trader so that you can begin to be wise. Okay, just be wise. Say I'm wise. Type it on the chat. Knowledge brings wisdom. It brings security. All right. It makes you have a more subtle approach. So I know now that concept has happened. My concept, see, let's be honest. The concept strategy, have we ever failed a concept since the inception of concept strategy? These are traders fail. Okay. I want to tell you, I need your answers. Have we ever failed a concept? A concept I gave? Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Which strategy on a concept have we failed? That have failed? I'm talking about loss. Have we lost a concept? It means a trade we got on concept and we've lost. That's what I'm talking about. Have we lost a concept since we started concept strategy? That was my question. I was going to be shocked right now at the answer. Okay. So this is where traders miss it. The moment they get something amazing, okay, they push their emotions towards it. Just because the concept strategy has been 100% doesn't mean all my trades will be 100%. Did I tell you that? Because why? My approach for risk is what matters. That's what I need to learn from the concept. If I can learn it over a period of a year and my approach aligns with the concept itself, that is when I begin to really leak out money from this market. If I am doing it now, I am missing. Traders get so comfortable with making money with ease too quick. The whole goal, we've been offered an opportunity to really know how the market speaks a language, whether it is the trend concept or the reverse concept or the outlook concept. Every one of them have been fruitable in this market. But what do you understand about their risk? Traders don't care about risk. They just care about profit. That is not the person sitting in front of you. And that's why I don't make noise about it. It's not the profitability I care about. Does this strategy care about my mode of risk? Does this make sense to you? Does this strategy care about my risk? Messi Jumbo is requesting AI companion. Wow. I cannot enable because I don't know about it. I'm recording.
My stuff is touching.
Okay, good. All right. So, yeah. So, those are the things that are using to hack people's system. All right. So, why am I giving you this information? You can't buy it anywhere, but I'm just giving it to you. When you learn a strategy, don't learn how you will be profitable with that strategy. It takes 6 months to learn how you can lose with that strategy. How many of you are finding it difficult? You're managing your losses now with the concept strategy. You know what you can lose if you need to lose. How many of you can say that over the time you've been exposed to the strategy? You know what to lose, and you don't care. If you have strategy that can secure your losses, those are the best strategies in trading. And those are the type of strategies I like to find my hands in. Okay. And yeah, I'm going to go into the market back again. Okay. So despite that, I know this market is coming here, but that doesn't mean I would leave my trade for the market to come here. Okay. One of the best things in the market is your risk approach. There's something I'm teaching over the last 7 days. Okay. Today is day 2. Investment strategy. What is your end game? The moment you took the trade, what was your end game? Okay, have a set goal in mind. So my set goal when I take 2 trades is the first trade will give me my 1.5% risk. Then the second trade is for me to play the best potential. Okay, there's something that I got exposed to today. The best traders in the market, they are position traders. The real traders, hedge funds, they are position traders. It means they know where the market is coming. They wait for the market there, or they drive the market there. When the market there, they take positions and they know where they are driving it or where the market is going. Everything that is happening on these other planes are made by what you guys don't know. Okay, I don't want to come in that today. But everything that is happening majorly in this market are shenanigans. So you don't want to be caught up in the shenanigans, okay? So, but this is what happens. When an information comes, maybe through fundamentals, that something is going to change the concept of the market, they begin to take out the plot of risk. Okay, this market is going to change. So they either pull out, okay, or pull out a certain percentage. So what I do, my approach, I'm just going to share this with you so that you guys could learn. I'm in a trade, I take 2 entries. Okay, the first entry, so I'm supposed to use a standard 2 or a standard 1. Okay, so 0.8, is it 0.8? Okay, 0.8 goes for TP1, which is 1-to-1. That gives me the best from the trade, and that secures my my risk. Even if I don't come to break even, that trade is already a profit for me. Then I use 2. Is it 0.8? I said, okay, 0.2 for the second trade. Okay, that second trade may give me up to what I am going to make in the first trade, because that second trade may be a risk 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Okay, but what I do is I am looking at the market every day, which means there's a part of an intraday trader that is in me. Okay, so the moment I get in on this trade, if I see something, if the market hits here right now and opens a very bullish engulfing candle, man, I'm out. I'm out, not totally, but I'll take 1.5 and I'll leave a 0.05. It takes all of my emotions from the market. No much expectation when I'm running a 0.5. I don't have to look at the trade no more. Because why? I also understand that the market just spoke a language to me now. It just tested 50%, which is momentum. 50% drives up momentum. And when there's a bullish candle and there's a floor around that area, the different traders in market is ignited by volume. If the volume of the people who get in the market here is much, it's going to take this market back. It can even drive it above this thing. And all of a sudden you get angry. Oh, why didn't I just take all of my profit the way I should have taken? Oh, you begin to give them loss. So these are strategies to maintain you. Does this make sense? Are you guys learning from what I'm sharing with you? But ultimately, I'm not going to forget the fact that my watch is in watching this market to come to this area. So I put an alarm here and I write it on my notes. That's the next place I'm buying. That is how we've come about all of these areas we're picking up, we're making profit. Because why? I am a stable trader. I wait for the market to come to me. And I always tell you ahead. So when it comes there, I'm not dilly-dallying if I should enter or not. I know that was where the market was coming. And I'm confidently telling you, let's get in on this market right now. This is where it's going to come. Does it make sense? Put sense on the chat. Okay? It is an inevitable knowledge you should have that I just shared with you today on this call. All right? GJ. Full option. I told you guys yesterday, right? I told you guys, Madam Hema, when you were asking the question, you would almost think I'm a magician, right? No. The market has a language. The market, I told you, you guys made money from this. I said if this market hit here and close the red, it's going to sell. And it sold almost 70%. But look at the language of the market. It did not break the previous floor. That is a language that the bulls are still in charge. This was just price action. It fulfilled price action. Because if a 4-hour close it's an outlaw. Market breaks a certain trend, comes back to that trend, it will definitely react. You know why it's going to react? There are traders that trade that kind of strategy. It means they put volume. So the market will first respond to that volume. And it's a temporary volume. So imagine you are trading a long-term perspective with a temporary volume. The only way you should continue this trade is if, okay, it breaks this low and retraces. If it breaks this low and retraces back to this area, we enter for a sell. You know why? Okay, that's a double retest on it will break. Definitely. The moment it breaks this, that's another volume. It's getting into another zone. That's a language. But the moment it didn't yesterday, I told you, don't take that trade again. Wait for it to break above. If it breaks above, closes above this zone, it's going to buy. Did it do it? Yeah. And some of you got in and you made all your money out. All right. And you can see, where did the market come and sold? I told you this is my TP. He came here and he's selling right now. Okay. Can you see that is where exactly where I put my reward? This thing is not magic. Okay. Analyzing the market gives you perspective of where to expect profit and loss. Okay. But this is not really where I want to sell this market. Now we can analyze GJ for the next move. Are we ready? Okay. So where is GJ going to buy again? I'm going to give you guys a new concept. All right. So let's leave. First is, oh, wow. 1, 2, 3. So that's a very powerful, he repeated a powerful area, which means market is going to drive down. Okay. Ooh. 4 hours. Market is consolidating right now. But we do have something. Still not pure. I just saw another analysis right now and it's touching my head, but let me relax. Let me focus on what I'm doing. Okay, so here's a point. This is not yet a point for me. Here's a point. All these are consolidation. I still have to take this. All right. Only have this. So if I have to do this, because this is what the market has given to me right now. Okay. It's temporarily changing structure. So here we saw a steep move, brought this market down. All right. It's been defiled. Okay. This trend has been defiled. Market is slightly making its way up right now from a long-term perspective. So if you have to follow the market, you follow it based on this long-term trend. Okay. Is either you're looking at this. Some people like week. All right. Some people like the body of a candle. This week is pressure of news. Either way is still valid. Take the body to the body. All right. This is what you're going to see. So what am I going to get here is, where is the next place I am going to buy this trend? Because there's a build-up of a change. This market has been on a high trend. Okay. Oh boy. This guy is going to drop like crazy if he finds any opportunity. Head constructed, shoulder constructed. This is the construction of another shoulder. If this market finds a drop, it's dead. Okay. But if it doesn't, it's going to climb up this area. I'm just doing pure price action. Market is going to find a way to climb up this area. If it climb up this area, market is going to come here. Okay. That's what the outlook looks like right now. So I'm not going to be buying this market. I don't have an opportunity to buy. There is no opportunity for me to buy because why? It's an edge. Here's a ceiling. It repeated it, and it's repeating it. So this is not when you get into the market, except you're a thief. Okay. All right. So I'm not going to tell you, where do you buy the market? Where is it going to come back to next? That's why we conceptualize the market. Okay. So if we look at this right now, and I'm not going to give you any area today so that you go and set pending orders. I'm giving you areas so that you can follow the market. Are we together? Am I frozen? Okay, good. So if market comes to, so we're not working with this. I'm not putting the up umbrella yet because I'm just doing the buys. So market is going to come somewhere here to repeat these turbulent areas. Got a good point. Market is going to drain down. If it needs to drain down, this is going to be the decision point. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this. Around this 181.269 is going to be the point of interception. If the market comes back here again, okay, you're going to have a spike move. May not be much, may come back here, then break the trend. Okay, ultimately, if this market could pull this down, I'm even going to be scared about the market. Why? Because it has, this is 1, 2, 3. If it does not break right now, the pressures, at some point, whatever that is pulling the market gets tired. Okay, so this has been tempting this market, pushing it up. All of this should have taken this market back up. That's why we see this full trend, because there's so much volume of rejection. But the rejection has to break the next rejection. If it doesn't break this right now, it means it's going to fall down. Either keep consolidating till you find maybe a big news or event, then a break. You're definitely going to see a break of structure. But I'm going to be buying when the market comes here, closes a 1 hour or 4 hour and doesn't break this and opens a new 1 hour, I buy. That's how I buy. Very simple strategy. Okay. So that's my next point. I don't have any business with GJ right now for a sell. Right now, I don't have any business for a sell. I only have a business for a buy. Okay. Because the sell is not clear. So that's eliminated. These are the 2 points. Okay. So if I did it before, if we did these 2 before, we should be looking at a sell here. All right. Which it is responding, but it would have been invalidated because it broke above. So it is not too clear, unless maybe we're looking at a 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour did not. Oh boy. So if a 4 hour closes, a 4 hour is going to close in the next 3 hours. If it closes, that's a signal that it's going to sell. But that's not my strategy. That's not my trade. Okay. Because why? I don't have an active art point here. I'm going to be looking at what's going to happen over the next couple of hours for me to get a trade. So I'm not going to be doing this actively as a trade. Say, okay, 4 hour close, get in. Because why? The risk is going to be too much. If you get in right now, you're going to be putting your risk above this high. That's about 82 pips. It's not wise to trade like that. Okay, but it's going to be a good trade to drop. If he does that, that may be the move that will drop this trade to break this, but it is not wise. But if you are a long-term trader, okay, this is a strategy. This is a trade idea I am giving now, but it's not the type I would take because of my risk, the risk potential. The risk for me is too much. Okay, as the only way maybe I'd approach it again is, let me see. So there's a floor here, there's a ceiling here. All right. The only way I can approach this trade again, if it comes here, consolidate and comes here, drop. But right about now, it's not my trade. It's not my style. So I am not giving it. Did I even pick this zone? Well, let me pick the week. Okay. So this trade really played out well. It's a robbery. This is a robbery. I'm not going to even consider it. I'm not going to allow myself to be robbed. Okay. But what it means is, if this trade, so for those of you that are just looking for long-term trades or opportunities to get into the market, this is one opportunity. In the next 3 hours, if this trade closes as a red candle, okay, you can get in on the trade for a sell. But the risk you have to give to it for this type of trade is 85 pips. Does that make sense? Put that. So what it means is, if you're taking this trade, your stop loss is going to be around, all right, above this high, which is going to be 18409. Okay. And it's easy to actually get. So you're taking GBPG, GBPJPY, GBPJPY, GBPJPY not found. Are you kidding me? Are you joking? I thought you were joking. So let's say you have a $10,000 account, all right, and you want to risk 1% on that trade, and your stop loss is 85 pips. Sorry guys, my network tossed me out. Can you guys hear me now? Sound mic is on. So this gives you direction. You're going to make $100. So what you do, you deploy into to 0.15 for TP1. TP1 can be just 50 pips. So that gives you first then you can leave 0.03 for the rest of the trade. What's the rest of the potential? Very thick. At least you can take your TP around these floors. Okay, so this entry that I'm showing you can be your TP because this trade is going to go as far. So that gives you, so let's say, yeah, that's about 190 something pips. 1:2. Beautiful. That's if this 4-hour closes here. But anything makes this 4-hour drags here, don't take the trade. You'll be so bad to take the trade. Cambry, can I take the trade where it is right now? There's no concept or strategy for you to get in on the trade right about now. For me, okay? You have to allow the candles make the decision. Right now, the 4-hour has to make the best decision for the swing. If it doesn't, you're just going to be 1 hour. This should be your entry. Yeah, this should be your entry for 1 hour. And you would have been in profit on the trade. Okay, you see the best strategies are the candles. All right. Did you guys get that? Put 10 on the chat. You got that. So there's an active trade on GJ, which is not my style, but I'm just giving. I'm not talking only to my students. I'm talking to traders all over the world. And I have different type of traders in my world. So if you're the type that is just looking for trade, that's one trade, okay, that I just gave you. Okay, you actually got in 1 hour. All right, beautiful. So you know that if you got in 1 hour, you're already in profit. So that's the best approach. Secure it. That 1-to-1, get it out quickly. I believe if you got in on that trade, your stop loss, if you got in around the 1 hour, you see that your stop loss was limited. You didn't do more than 50 pips. Am I correct? It's probably like 30, 45 pips. So that is how you trade with candles. All right. So GJ good. GU good. GU is conceptualizing right now, which means we have a trade. We have an active concept on GU. If GU does not break this zone, so the next place is here. So we have 2 points of entry on GU. Okay. The 1.2122 is an entry on GU. Okay, that is if it decides to come here. So this is my point of entry. It doesn't mean if this trade comes here, you take it to. It has to. All right. So I'm not hungry for this trade over the next, maybe tomorrow. It's going to be at night. Okay, because why? I have to make sure that this trade responds to holding this area and closes an hour above this. This is the trend, or this. Okay, so I have this or this, or this. Okay, so this was the first trend, and I updated this morning, then this. So if it responds, where it is right now is hit our trend, and if it breaks above this, that's a buy up. Okay, but it may consolidate for you to find the best entry. So I'm watching out on this trade. If a new candle, because it's hitting, it's not the point of interception, all right, but it is hitting the concept and also hitting the what? The zone. If it closes a new candle above and it's a bullish candle, that's send off. And you know why I like the trade? Okay, it is a tip of momentum. All right. So market always, you look this right now. That's around okay, it's breaking below the 50%. So somehow, if this market breaks above this 50%, that's a go back. All right, the trade is gonna go back ultimately. So that's an idea. That's an idea on GU. Okay, it's either you wait here. All right, and my take is if this market hits this 75%, closes above this, take the trade for a buy. Okay, your risk is going to be below here. You know why I don't like this trade here right now? My risk is supposed to be below here. So it means if I'm taking this trade, it's a high one. Because why? Your risk is always supposed to be below the next low. So this is not this trade right now is a good trade, but the risk involved is high. I have to put my risk below here, which means I have to expect a high move to be able to get my 1-to-1. All right. So this trade has given us heat of concept, respected the concept, not really point of interception. It means if it closes a bullish trade, if it closes a bullish candle above this 1.2143, that's when I'm going to get in on the trade. Look at something is happening in the market. Oh, 3 o'clock. Let me see. Gosh. AU is bleeding for us. There is no news around 3, but the market is newish. All right, good. So, guys, since it's going down, watch out for this area. It's going to be, I believe it's going to be very, very, it should be foodie here. Okay? watch out for this area. Since it's broken this area, watch out for this area. It didn't give a signal, but anything can happen. It can pull back, but I still don't like it. I'll wait for some couple of hours so that I'll get the best move. Okay, the only thing that is really working out right now, playing out right now, is AU. Okay. I looked at USD card yesterday, right? USD card didn't touch it. Okay. No. What other currency? What other currency? What is close to food right now? What's close to eat? All right. I told you guys EA. EA, this is a point of sale. It needs some move. Still needs to move. There is something I want to ask, man. This is one signal that I wanted to call out for you guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you guys 2 signals, swing signals. I'm going to find 2 swing signals that you guys can take. Okay. And I have an account for swing. I only take swing trades on those accounts. So let me see what I can fetch for you guys. It's gone. God, CHF. Okay. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Gone. Well, it's still at. It's still okay. This will be. Let me see. It's moved already. This was the entry for me. I actually did a penny. I said I was just looking. Okay, if we catch it during our session today, but I didn't know the trader has actually moved. Came, picked me, and it's in serious profit. This was the entry. Okay, this trade is been consolidating, and it's on a daily low. It's on a weekly low. Okay, and you can see this is a daily low. Okay, it's also a weekly low. And this is a double. This is the second time it's touching this week. It's going to be a bullish. It's going to be a crazy bullish move. And the potential is not small. The potential is a crazy one. All right. When I say crazy one, it's a swing trade, which means if you want to be, these are the type of account you take a trade and you will leave for a long time. And the potential is beautiful. This trade, the TP zone is here. All right, and that's about 629 pips. Okay, it's crazy. The next floor, major floor, is here. Yes, even if you're deciding to take this, which is half of it, is about 300 pips. This is a trade over the next couple of weeks. All right, just leave one account. This is one of the things for those of you that are coming from the funded trader. These are the type of trades I'll be giving to you. It's just that this trade is moved so much right now. And if you have to enter this trade where it is right now, so you'll be giving it more than 90 pips. It's too much. Okay? It's too much. But if this trade closes as a daily, if it closes as a weekly, that's at the end of the week. That's the next opportunity. If it closes as a weekly, you get him. Let's see if there's going to be any retracement. No, the trade has already moved. I'll find another trade for you guys. Okay. I'll find another trade. This was just perfect because it was 50%. It was 50%. That's what I got in. I put the pending order. All right. I knew that the moment that's what I told you guys on GJ. So this market has been consolidating. All right. There's a break of structure. This was the high. This has always been the high. But this market broke and closed above this high. And what it did was it came back to retest a 50%. And look at what it's doing right now. That's why I knew this market is going. Okay, because it broke above the previous high. That is what it needs to swing. If this market is going to sell, it just needs to close below this low. It's going to sell. So another approach, which may take days, okay, is if it breaks up, comes somewhere around here, all right, and come down here, This is going to be the next approach, which is price trap. Okay, that's going to take it up. That's the next approach to get in on this trade, to follow the swing. All right. As much as I see a very powerful potential, the risk is too much for me to expose you to this market. I would say, okay, probably take a trade. If this candle closes above this area, above this high, take a trade and put your stop loss here. But that is still going to be, you're not getting the best out of the trade. Okay, but it's still good. 30 pips is still good. That's another way to get in, but it's not really the best approach. But you could use a 0.5% to get in on a trade for this. Just playfully. If it closes above, if this candle closes as a bull candle above 0.653940, okay, you can get in on this trade and put a 30 35 piece. It's still beautiful. Okay, but that is not the best option for me. But if you feel, when I tell you like this, anytime I'm talking like this, if I'm doing like this for a trade, you guys know me, right? You come back and check that trade, it's gone. It's moving that direction. But I'm not the type that will tell you, because even if I know that it's going to go that direction, I'm all about the way you enter this trade today. If you enter this trade wrong today, you're going to enter the best trade wrong. Okay? And you're going to be cut off just because you entered wrong. It's not about winning a trade. It's how you enter a trade that matters for me. Okay? Makes sense. Put sense on the chart. So this is one option. If you want to get in, that's the way, a very subtle way you can get in, but it's not my best approach. But unless you're a patient trader, wait, let it break above, come here, retest, close the bullish candle, you get in. All right. If I catch it, I'm gonna notify you guys on the group. I'm talking about the funded trader group. I'm creating it, right? It's already created. So those of you that dropped your data, you funded your account for free. Okay, you're getting on that group for free. Following the instruction we gave. So I'm going to be, over the course of this week, at least you guys are going to get 1 or 2 trades. All right. So, and if you have a question, you just drop it. I'm going to find one trade that I think, and it's not going to be around. Let me see NZDJPY. NZDCHF also did the same thing. I'm actually in. Let me see. How many percent did I take from NZDCHF? That's crazy. Okay, I actually got on NZDCHF from the low swing. But it took me out of my break even. So I'll look for another position. NZDCHF. Yeah, it came here. I don't know. I did a trailing and this took me out and it moved up again. Pained me. But I found this low. This was where I entered. And it did all of this. I wish I was patient enough. And this market is coming all the way here. This is the next place it's going to come. What is our other entry? Let's check. We'll get another entry. Let's see. CHF is my best friend when I want to swing. It's good. It already did it to family. I will not lie to you. Second entry has been done. It broke. This is what I'm trying to tell you. CAD CHF needs to do right now. CAD CHF needs to break above, close, open a new one, and it's moving already. It's crazy. Okay, and it did it for the second one, but this was not broke, retested, and it's moving. Okay, another one is going to do proper, but that's not good. I won't enter this one. I'll wait for it to come back down again, probably do, and I'll follow the daily up. Shish, that's not. Should I give you guys gold? No, I'll be exposing you to accidents if I give you gold. Let me see GBPCHF doing the same thing. Okay, GBPCHF. It's gonna be a buy point. It's gonna be a buy point. It's gonna be a buy point. I won't drop an alarm around there. Be buy point, buy point, buy point. There's no consolidation in this boy, guys. Okay. I think something is breathing here. This is not my friend, though, for the notice. This is not my friend. This guy has betrayed me many times. But it is cooking something good. It is cooking something good. I'm not going to take this one this way. I'm going to take, still has some time, still has some days. On Thursday, we're going to get good trades in the market. All right, I'm going to be looking forward for EU buy around on Thursday. Okay, somewhere around here. If we can find a good bullish candle from this area, it's going to go up. And when I say up, EU is going to come all the way here. Okay, if you could pick that eye, I'm going to be looking at it doing this. You know why? I showed you guys something yesterday. The UX index. Let's check. Okay, it's going to sell off from here. It's almost there. This is what I showed you. Did I show you guys this yesterday? Okay. Yeah, it almost did as if it wasn't going, but eventually it's doing something. If it gets here right now, it's going to be a sell-off. When I say sell-off, total sell-off into the zone. So the only things that can hold it is the associated regulation around US dollar, but it's going to drop. So anything against the US dollar is going to buy. So just find the opportunities. That's why I'm giving you guys EU. All right. That's why I'm giving you guys EU. So EU needs to just find a point here. It's going to come all the way here. And that is more than 100 or 200 pips. So I'm going to be looking forward for that move. All you just need to do, take a screenshot and replicate this. This is where you should buy. Okay, I'm not going to be looking for lows. This is where I'm going to be buying, looking for opportunities for buy on Euro USD. I dropped an alarm around there already. Okay. She's consolidation thing. AUD JPY. AUD JPY, nothing here. Nothing here. No. Hold on, guys. Okay. Cat CHF pin me that I didn't give you guys. I wanted to give you guys today, but it's not in the giving state right now. I already moved. But one thing I can give you is how you can get how I give you. Does that make sense? Should I do that? Okay. How you can find. So these are the three powerful concepts. So as time goes on, not all the time I'll be putting those areas. You guys already know how I got this, right? Find the 5 areas. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You guys got it, right? So I don't need to be putting those circles. So this is going up. Come fast. Concept. Jenny. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't be in a hurry. Okay. If you follow closely, you'd learn. So I'm not really teaching the concept today because I taught it before. I've taught it a couple of times, even on a Tuesday session. So if you follow through, you're gonna definitely find it on my recordings. What I'm just trying to do is give you guys positions you can make money over, so that when come the next time, you know I give you positions to make money. Man, this guy is gonna drop. This guy is gonna drop somewhere. He's cooking in this market. I just have to find it. There's a drop in this market that is imminent. If it's not this area, man, this market is gone. Highest. So this is a ceiling. This is a floor. Okay. And it activated that floor again by breaking, retesting, and that's a powerful move. Okay. Since that time, it has not come back to that floor. Okay. So we're seeing, oh, this is close. When I say close, all right, This is close, brothers and sisters. All right. If this market gets here, closes a 1 hour candle, so I'm paid. You can tell yourself that you're paid. Okay. And it's going to happen today, probably. Let me see the JPY index. Let me push this guy up to priority. This is close. We're getting close to being. Ah! This is beautiful. You're beautiful. Hold on, guys. Uh-oh. Hold on. JPY, where are you? JPY, Ibolowa. Ah, JPY is in an all-time lost low. Oh boy. Man, I don't know where this guy is going. This makes me scared. Whoa, the market has never been here. Woo. It means if it's going to turn back, it's going to turn back like, you know, the way it's going to turn back. So it's moved. This was, so 1 hour is showing us something. 1 hour showed us that there was a resistance here. However, I don't know what that resistance is. I couldn't find it in price action, but there was a resistance on index. Okay. If it comes back again, rejects, what's going to happen? It's going to start buying. If you reject this area again, the moment you see another 4 hour or a daily closing as a bullish candle, just know that this guy is going to recover. The banks will recover. All of the things attached to the index, commerce, is going to recover this price that have been dropped. Maybe this was inspired by something that's happening right now. Okay. So if it doesn't continue to break low, this is a hedge right now. If you respect that hedge and closes bullish, watch AJ. If it closes bullish on the 1 hour or 4 hour, or one of the most remarkable things that can happen is if this breaks this high right now, you know that this is going to tank. So what is happening here? Can you see? Can everyone see right now that what is happening here is what is happening in the index? This is a long sell, a retracement, and a bearish candle. This is a what? Long buy, a retracement, and a bullish candle. Can you guys see the? So which means where I'm telling you guys to trade is if this market comes back here and rejects, just know that this market is going to tank as long as the index is what? Bullish. JPY is going to be what? So this is a very good trade. Please, who's our coordinator in AJ? Madam Ihoma, who's AJ coordinator? Do we have anybody coordinating AJ?
I don't think we have an AJ person.
Eh.
I think if I is doing EA, I don't know about AJ.
Okay, Mr. Jane Silent, you're always away. I cannot trust this money. I cannot trust this money on you. Okay, I need some. You're always away. I know you're going to take it. If you take it, you take it for yourself. I need someone who's going to administer.
Coach,
can you look at this for us?
Yeah, I will look out for it.
All right, good. So when it hits here and it closes a 1 hour, just drop on the group that our bank has opened for business. All right, let us jump in. Okay, so I'm going to drop it in the group right now. Okay, for those of you that are don't be biased. Okay, I'm not dropping it in your group. I'm dropping it in CACOS group. Okay, but I'm already telling you what you guys can do right now. You can copy the chat and follow. You see what we do as traders? We're a community. We trade together. We have some amazing. That's one of the things. I created a peaceful environment, and my mentorship caters for everybody getting paid by everybody, helping everybody to get paid. So it's not really reliant on me. Okay. This is DJ Concept. So you can copy this. Okay. The whole idea of trading this market is simple. Very simple. Everybody type simple on the chat. So how do you take this trade? So this is an active trade idea. It's not a pending order. You set pending order, you're not taking it the right way. Okay. Yes, you may set pending order and it works for you. But that is not how I get into trade. I need the signal to tell me a language. What is our language? If this market comes here and doesn't break above, it means it closes an hourly in this area or below this area, but it touches the area. It has to touch the trend and touch this zone. Okay, that is signal. That is first step. Second step, it has to close as a bearish candle on the hourly. Does that make sense? Put 2 if you got that. The moment it closes a bearish candle, and another thing is not because I said it will close a bearish candle, and you know, there's a time the market will hit you and come and close a bearish candle here, and you say Kenfrey said it closes a bearish candle and you're entering here. That is wicked, because why? It has taken all of your profits. Okay, it has to close a bearish candle, okay, somewhere around the zone, fine around the zone, or somewhere around here. Good. If it's far away, it means the momentum is too much. It's just like you have a bus stop and the bus just came with speed and just moved without picking people, and you're running out of the bus. It's your bus stop, but the bus it didn't pack well for you to enter. Would you behave like an Agbero and pursue the bus just because to say, hey, that's my area, that's my bus stop? No, you get injured most likely. So that's what happens to a lot of people. They get injured because they're trying to chase their strategy. So it closes below here, just get in on the trade. Your stop loss, I like this trade because the stop loss is a wicked stop loss. Okay. The next high of this market, okay, don't put it above here. So it means if you get in on this trade, the next high is here. So you can actually put it here. Anything above this area. So 9,650 is good. So the trade is actually close to about 50 pips. But let me tell you one truth. All right. If this trade breaks here, it's a gunner. Okay. So you don't even need to give this trade. You can take one trade, 50 pips, just to get a swing perspective. But you can do another one for 15 or 20 pips. Does that make sense? 15 or 20 pips. Because why? If this trade, to me, if this trade breaks this, all right, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. You're going to be looking for outlaw. So don't give it too much. Okay. Maybe anything above this high, good, which is about 15 to 20 pips. Give it that much. Then one, you can give it 50 pips to take 50. But if you give it 20, just take 30 pips out of it. You get the most money out of it. Okay. Does this make sense? Good sense if you got that. So every one of you that knows how to trade, did you get the idea on how you can take this trade? This trade, please don't punish us. Just go where, behave like an adult, and just know that adults are here sitting and waiting for you. Don't. All right. The reason I can crash is it's already created a bat pattern. It's probably going to drop this trade here, then make a move up. If that happens, this trade is gonna push up. Okay. So don't do that. It's going to come here and move up, but that's not an idea. So this is sharp. I don't need to give you guys the bull because it's far away. I don't need to give you where you buy. Over the course of tomorrow or next, we'll get that. Next tomorrow, I'll send the chart. But right now, is the sell that matters. Okay? Is that good enough? You can see what this guy did on the 50%, right? Is that good enough? Good enough? Is that good enough? Say good enough. Any questions so far? If I see, what I'm going to do is, if I add everybody to the free group, those of you that have qualified to join my free trading group by following the instructions from the funded trader, okay? Tonight, I'm going to add each and every one of you. I believe all of you are on Discord. Okay, so be on Discord, open a Discord account, send your Discord to the number. Madam Tina, you want to say something?
Oh, no, sorry.
All right, it's good to hear your voice. That was not a mistake. Good to hear your voice. All right, so
thank you.
I just needed to hear your voice. So what you guys do, get your Discord ID sent to the admin number on the WhatsApp group, and we'll take up your IDs and send you the link. Can existing member, of course, every existing members, you are an admin in the group. It's your birthright. I owe it to you. Okay. So one of the things, so let me give you guys an idea. Are you guys ready for an idea? Right? Let me give you guys an idea. Say idea. Okay. What time zone do you use more often for analyzing? 4 hours. 4 hours for swing, 1 hour for day trading. Okay, put idea on the chat. So let me give you an idea. Some of you are too stiff. I'm going to use this group to make it unstiff you. Okay? Kind of. You're so stiff. So I'm trying to mix you. I want to mix you up. So the kind of trades I'll be calling there, you can see how I've spoiled you guys. You guys are so trained. You're poach. Okay? I try to give you the best positions. I'm not making you guys risk as traders. Maybe because of where you're coming from, where I'm coming from, we've combined to now manage emotions. We're at peace. But the truth is, there's a part of you that has to be reckless to make the crazy money out of trading. I hope you guys know that. Okay? There's a part of you that does not have to think about the position. You just get in because there's an opportunity. There's a part of you that doesn't have to care about your losses too much because you're caring about your losses too much. How do you even think to look at NZD? Yeah. You imagine, why am I looking at NZD CHF, right? CHF is a pair many people are not looking at. It has a stable economy. Okay? It has a stable economy, but most importantly, it is good for swing because the spreads pay you. When you're trading GBP, JPY, your spread are paying you. It's not good to swing. When you're trading most pairs, it's not good to swing. But when you're trading USD CHF, you're being paid. All right? When you're trading GBP, you're being paid. NZD CHF, you're being paid. You sometimes see you're in $100 pro. Your trade is running $100, but you have $120 on your equity because you're being paid for trading that currency. All right? A lot of you never knew that, right? Did I just give you new knowledge? So if I'm looking at pairs, I want to dash you. Those are the kind of pairs I'll dash you to trade. Okay, CHF is one of them. Even GU sometimes, even USD JPY sometimes pays you. Pay you on swap. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you trades that you can take an account and leverage on. So the same way all these guys have $3,000 account, open your $3,000 account or 10,000, however it is. The kind of trades I want to give are trades you just leave. One trade can give you your potential, but you have to have the mind for it. In that group, I don't have an emotion. I'll just give you the trade. I'm not adding my emotion. So one of the things you guys may not benefit from me is my careful self. I'll give you the trade that will pay. I'll teach you the risk that you should use. Don't come there and say you want to be rich overnight. That's not the group. You have an idea, something to cater for you long term. So if you're trading that trade, it may run for 1 week, 2 weeks. The whole idea is not to be profitable, it's to be tradable. The whole idea of profit, we're already giving you profit every day. At least we've been making profit over the last 3 weeks. Am I correct? Okay. And I've been more effective with more trades over the last 3 weeks. Am I correct? No season of drought anymore. So I don't need to push more profit on more trades. I just need to give you deeper trades. And that's one of the things I'll be doing. But I don't want to mix it with what I am already giving you guys as members, as pioneer members. Because why? I'm taking you on a journey. We're doing so much to make you money right now. Don't be so confused to make more. Okay? Do you guys agree with me? Are we doing so much to make you money right now? So all I just needed to do is to give you a tool to help you do it yourself. So when you have that account, I'll give you that opportunity to look at the trade. So maybe once a week, I will have a session and I'll tell you, these are the trades I'm looking at. Okay. Let's wait for this trade. Let's get in and swing it. And I'll also drop there if I want to leave, I'll tell you, okay, this trade, I'm off, I'm breaking even. I've set it automatic trailing for 100 pips. I'll tell you guys, okay, but I will not stay my emotion on there. That is why we have our mentorship daily trading group. So that is just to help people start up. People that have given themselves the excuse that I need soft landing. God has given us an opportunity to help them have a soft landing, but it's not rapid. You're not going to really enjoy yourself there because it's going to just be 1 or 2 trades a week. Unlike we have almost everyday trades or everyday analysis that pays you, okay, and training and mentorship and love and caring and all of the things we do, okay, it's priceless. But that is just to give you a soft landing. Does it make sense? Put sense. All right. So but we're taking it a notch higher, but that was going to come in the month of November. We are in a new year already. We're taking it a notch higher. There's another service that is coming a notch higher. You want to upgrade, not necessarily come into my total mentorship, but you want to upgrade what it is we're doing. We're gonna introduce that product, okay, in the month of November by the grace of God. Okay. Any questions so far? Are you guys loving our services? Whether you're a guest or you're a member. No, let me not even ask members. Members are biased. They will say they love it so much. Some will say, oh man, this is too much. So I don't want to hear that. All right. They're already ready to answer that question. So let me ask those of you that are guests. Okay. Is it making sense what we're doing with you? Some people are just jumping out. Okay. Kilo, they wait now. Say hi first. Okay. What you experienced today, does it make sense to you? Is it really free? Does it look free to you? Does it look free? Did I train you like it's for free? Nwamaka Enoch said it is free. So what I give you is cheap. That's what you're trying to tell me. Maybe you did not understand the question. Okay. Did you experience it? Did you experience it like it was a free event? Or then I just did like, wow. Any trading opportunity as far as HFS is concerned? Okay, I need you guys to answer that question, please. Someone just asked. Any trading opportunity as far as HFX is concerned? Okay, let my people answer you. Are we trading HFX? We're also making money on HFX, on binary. Maybe a lot of people don't know HFX. Money in minutes. Okay, that is our birthright. You cannot be with Ken Remo and not trade binary. I don't talk about it much because I'm so focused on giving my students equity to trade enough with me. Okay, that is, but I don't talk about it much. My goal is to hand you your birthright in trading. Okay, so we trade binary almost. We have an amazing coach that is partnering with me, that's an educator in this system. Okay, that is trading binary with myself. So I'm on twice a week. Okay, Mondays and Thursdays. Then we are on Mondays through Thursdays every day, binary. Lisa, the part of I would, you said, man, that English has make me, if I never saved that chat, I would have forgotten about that chat in trading. That my last chat I did. If I didn't save it, I forgot. Okay. I don't understand it. Okay, please rephrase the question. Are you using translator? You put so many English together or somewhere. Okay. Say, please, this the part I would love to know. I'm trying to assume for you. Please put that English there. Let me understand. What broker do you use to trade binary? And what group do I have to join? You know, just become a part of the members of Pewat Nation. Join. Just get access to Pewat Nation is just very, very easy. Okay. You get on my Instagram right now. Click the video and watch the presentation on the product of Pewat Nation and make a decision if you want to be part of us. Part of the services we render is everything we do here every day. All right, live signals every day. So you see everything I'm doing. I'm actually sharing these ideas I tell them to get in, I tell them to get out, and they make money just by copy and paste. That is on leveraging over my experience and other educators. But most importantly, I teach them the skills so they know how to do it on their own. Let me show you the vault of my students analyzing the market. All right. So we have a group where my students, they show their skill. We look at the market together. Look at, this is not me. All right. This was done by Gary Patterson. This is the concept strategy. Everybody's on it. They're making money without me. This is Richard's concept. They are making money without me. I just give them the concept. And I'm so excited. They are analyzing. We have a group together. That's the trading community we've created. So being a part of the members, you're going to enjoy, part of this mentorship and also leverage over the skill that we have to share with you every day. Then we also trade binary live classes, okay, every day, money in minutes, so you can make 2%, 3% and just enjoy yourself. All right. So those are part of the privileges you have, as much as you can gather wealth by helping other people get started in the environment, if you choose to. Okay, we have a membership for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. We're running on a promo, and on the 7th of October, the promo is going to end. Our membership is going to go beyond what it was. Okay, that's going to be announced tomorrow. So we have a promo extended from 30. The promo is actually ending today. Okay, for $230 instead of $350 for 3 months. You're paying $280. That's ending, supposed to end today, but we're extending it with love through the 7th of November. Okay. After the 7th of November, the membership circle is going to change entirely. And I believe you guys already know that. Okay. So if you want to be part of this, make a decision to get on board, get back to the personal place you're on right now. We have a 6 months plan. We have a 1 year plan. All right. And we also have an automation, which is beautiful, crazy. Is our automation beautiful? I don't have to call it a beautiful product. It's mind game changing. Automation means you could come into our environment and tap into our trading experience to trade for you. Okay, it means our members have an investment portfolio that as we are trading as a team, they're making money off our trading. So that's something you can do hands off. Okay, and we're leveraging over one of the most powerful leverage, which is proprietary firm. What does it mean? Unlike before, you have to have a huge equity to trade to make money. We have access to equity, all right, through our prop firm, where you can get access to a 10K account, a 30K account. Okay, and you can connect to our automation. What does that mean? Your profitability is not based on the equity you brought, it's based on the prop firm, and it's a live account. So you could literally invest $300, and when we do 10%, you're going to make what? $1,000. And the sharing profit on that is 35% comes to you, which is $350. On just 10%, you got your capital back. That's crazy. It's mind-blowing. That's one of the things we're tapping into, helping our students to make money. And the plan is crazy. Okay. And we're going to be giving you I did more of the details. If you're here today, you want to get more of the details, go watch day 2 of our automation on the funded trader. It's on my YouTube. You're going to get details. So we're not helping you make money by yourself. We're also helping you to make money while you're trying to learn how to make money. Okay. So it's a good environment. It gives you peace. All right. And getting started is your choice. Does this make sense? Did I give you an overview that is beautiful? Okay. What if the account, what account are you actually talking about right now? What if the account is lost during the trading? Will another one be opened? Okay, what account are you talking about now? Because I'm a little bit lost. Your question was not the funded trading. Are you talking about the free group where you opened the $100? No, the auto trader. Okay. Your question is if we lose in trading, all right, the 300, if we lose in trading, would the account be funded? That are we going to replace if we lose? Is that a question? I love this question. God bless you for answering me this question. All right, because I know a lot of people, they have this concept of, is it safe? Am I correct? So let me explain something to you. Are you investing because you want to make profit, or you're investing because you want to secure profit? Very tricky question, right? Very tricky question. But okay, good. So let me give you this advice as a coach and a mentor. You didn't pay for it. If you are not a success, or you don't have the proof of success, if you're not an investor, but you want to leverage what you have to become an investor, don't look for profit. You will never get profit. Look for environment that have potential for profit, that have risk. You cannot safely be profitable. You cannot, take this from me, you cannot safely be profitable, be a success in this environment. Do you agree with me? Every one of you, do you agree with me? There are a lot of people that are going about it the wrong way. The reason most of you have not invested the way you should invest is because you're looking for safe ways to manage your money. Am I correct? And that is why you cannot have the potential to scale up your money, because you're scared to invest it into the right environment for scalability. Why would you be protecting $300? Why would you be protecting $1,000? These are seeds. Seeds are meant to be planted. And when you plant seeds, do you plant a seed because it's going to give you a harvest? It must give you a harvest. If you plant a seed, it has the potential to give you a harvest. True or true? But must it give you a harvest? If you use that mindset, you'll be planting wrongly. And that's why a lot of people have not broke their bank, because they don't know the concept and management of investing. Invest. First, invest by losing. How much can you lose? Okay? Samuel Iwelu, did you get something from what I told you? $300 is not an investment. $1,000 is not an investment. That's a seed. You have an opportunity to sow seed in areas. Leverage and sow. Okay? And in the season of sowing, some seeds are lost and some are gained. Your strategy will be, how do I deploy? So I told them something amazing yesterday. In trading, we lose. We share our profit and we share our losses. So that question was already answered before you asked me. You just wanted to recap. You just wanted to be sure that you are wrong. Okay? Because the answer is already there. You will never ask me that if I make profit consistently, will I stop to make profit? Would you? Would you? You won't. So I'm a good friend when I make profit, but you forget that in this environment, we lose and we win. Okay, there are months that will be bad. There are months that will be extremely good. You prepare for those, for both. In fact, prepare for the months that are bad so that you know how to deploy your investment. That is wisdom. Okay, I tell everybody, just like the trading I just taught you now. I taught you from the perspective of not the potential, but what you can lose. I protect more of your losses. I don't care about the wins. So I'm also telling you this today. Even if I am a profitable trader, my track record shows you only profits. I just said something on this call right now. Has the concept strategy been 100%? That doesn't mean I'm going to tell you, bring money, I'm trading the concept strategy, I'm going to make a profit of 100%. I will be damn stupid and evil to do that. Okay, because why? I'm sending the right information to the wrong mindset, with a wrong mindset and emotion, and the effect will be wrong. I would also tell you, invest wisely, because something can happen in the course of any good environment. I may lose. So what happens if I lose? You don't have money to trade anymore. What's going to happen? Your emotion is going to drop and you're going to stop. You say, no, it's bad. But that was a timing. That timing was bad. Okay? I'm not going to promise you losses, but expect losses. It makes you a better trader. It makes you a better investor. Does that make sense? Every one of you, hear it from me. If I don't want to do anything for you, I want to make you understand that when you're investing, the first thing you should consider is, how much am I willing to lose? If you're not willing to lose, don't take up any investment. Does that make sense to everybody? Okay? Don't take up any investment if you're not willing to lose. Because why? you'll be a bad seed if you do so. Any questions so far? It's been a wonderful time with you guys. And looking forward, I'll see you. All right, good. No more questions?
No, sir.
Okay, that's good.
So the reason I asked that question about the $300 for the funded trader account, I've done this prop firm with someone before. So that was even, I think I paid, was it about $1,000 for $200,000 account with my Forex fund. So we did open, I opened like two, but both of them, the person, it ended in losses and there was no compensation or whatsoever. So that's why I asked the question that, okay, if I'm opening a prop firm account, funded trader with $300, is there any security to it? Like, is it safe, or it will just be like that one of the $200,000 account? Although that one I paid like $1,000 plus, I've forgotten the exact figure, but both were.
So this is what you did. You invested without understanding the terrain of investment. First is you did not invest. You bought an account. Is that an investment? No. Am I correct? If you buy an account with a broker, is that an investment?
No, sir, that's not an investment.
So it's based on the community. You did not understand the terrain. So fundedness or funded trader, that's an environment you can buy an account. And it is expected that when you buy an account, you trade it. And if you trade it, it's expected that it's going to be either profit or loss. So you said now that it ended up in losses because the person handling the account lost. Okay. Now it's a bad investment. You cannot, it's not dependent on you. Okay. I can't say, okay, why did the person lose or anything? It's based on your understanding. What we're doing is different. Okay. You're not just buying an account, you're buying a portfolio. You're connecting a portfolio to our auto trader. It means if we make profit, you share in the profit. If we lose, you share in the losses. Okay. In the event that we lose 100% of the account, it is already stated that there may be possible loss. Okay, even if it's unlikely. So you invest based on, because the potential is crazy. I'm not here to tell you the potential. Okay, because if I do, it's almost like I want to tell you what you need to know. All right. What is going to compel you to take action? I love people to do their research. Go watch that video. Let it be you that say, well, this makes sense. Okay? Because for me, you need to have the power of investing. If you don't have it today, take the next 1 year to build it. The power of investing. Okay? Let 2024 come. At the end of 2024, what portfolio do you want to have? Do you want to be doing all of this movement around finding opportunities to trade? In the end of 2024, I believe nobody here wants to do that. You want to change, start moving that change today. And it's based on your investment portfolio. That is what we're offering you. If you buy Bitcoin today, it's not going to grow tomorrow. It's based on the amount of Bitcoin you have. If Bitcoin grows, that is the potential you're going to make. I gave that analogy for a reason. Okay. What we have today on the positive side will change your life based on what you're investing. Okay, so watch that video. Any one of you, I just tell you, go watch that video. If it resonates with you, connect with the person who put you on. All right. Don't allow you being in this environment to be a waste. This environment, this exposure that happened today is for a reason. Make sure you get the best out of it. Okay. That is the best thing I can say for now. God bless each and every one of you. All right. My Instagram, if you want to get any form of information directly from myself, I'm good at chatting. All right. On Instagram, just message me, DM me that you just came up from this meeting. I am Cambridge, my Instagram. Okay. I will respond to you. I'll send you every necessary thing needed. All right. That you need to be part of our environment. But most importantly, relate to the person who dropped you on this call. Let's start the journey together. This is a season and a year we're moving in of investing. Follow the investment portfolio or the training or the access that we're giving. Most of you have to do your best to have more portfolios, more investing. Anything you can invest in, invest. Whether Forex, whether bonds, I don't know about bonds. Crypto. I told you guys something yesterday. There are cryptos you should be buying and keep right now. Okay. But you have to have the right access. And I just gave you guys those insights into the cryptos you guys should be buying. And take the next 1 year to be adding portfolio to this crypto and see what your next 2-3 years is going to look like. It's easy to make money. Okay. All you need is